Yo, what's up everybody? We just arrived to one very interesting place outside Ubud, about 30 minutes from Ubud Central, up north. It's like a very nice restaurant. This is the cat, by the way, sleeping. That's why I'm talking quiet. It's a vegan restaurant, so we're gonna have only coffee with dairy milk. They have it somehow, and then we're gonna show you the place because it's very different, very unique. Again, time to time we're trying to show you something cool like this one, and then we're gonna show you the area of this part, still Ubud, because it's really cozy and beautiful, still very natural here.
So I will stroll around to show you how is the place. It looks so Instagram worthy. All right, that's a beautiful, I think that the bamboo statue of the Dewi Sri, the god of the rice paddies. And as you know that this place is, what I can say then, a very you know, like yogis, the ambience, you know, like spiritual thing, something like that, and with the bamboo construction. So first of all, I show you the sitting area overlooking the rice paddy. Unfortunately, now is the planting rice season, so there is no rice yet, but still, you know, will be the rice paddy soon. And yeah, they have a very unique interior design, like I think the yogis vibe. What I can say, that green with the bamboo construction, very nice ambience. So just like I told you, this place is you know, having a quite unique architecture and unique you know, sitting area and concept. I think that when it is night time will be more colorful. This is like I told you, they have a very nice and colorful sitting area, very unique. And yeah, what I can say then, some people are here having their dinner, coffee, afternoon. It's over there is, I think, the swimming pool, but it's not operating. And yeah, overall this is the sitting area. So basically that's the entrance, and when we just arrive, this is I think there are 3 or 4 main sitting area upstairs, downstairs, and this is basically the garden one, and I think this one is the pool. Unfortunately not operating. And yeah, look at that sleeping cat. Isn't so cute? Oh. And look at that sleepy Damian traveling from Sanur to Ubud. And look at the ambience, so beautiful. So this is the name of the place, New Earth Heaven Acacia. As you see that the menu is all vegan. Yeah, like Damian said, this is a vegetarian restaurant. So for those of you have been asking us where is the vegetarian or vegan restaurant in Ubud, basically there are a lot, but this one I think that's the more Instagram worthy and quite far from Ubud Center, around 30 minutes. So yeah, this is it. I just showing you the menu overall, how is the drink and how is the food.
Overall, guys, as you can see, very nice, beautiful place, still rice fields and everything, the statue, kind of spiritual thing. This is Ubud, what is famous for, especially right now. So places like this exist, you just have to Google about them, and also most of them, they are outside Ubud center. But now we're gonna show you a little bit outside how they looks, villages around, because they are also very interesting. All right, so we're gonna show you a little bit around. This is where we park. This is the entrance to the place, like this one. I'm gonna tell you, actually this place is pretty remote. There's not much other restaurants for sure, places to eat, just the rice fields. However, some houses or villas or something for rent you could find here. For sure. Now they're building something very interesting here, but I think this is private house actually, because it looks like more like a house rather than the hotel. But overall this is the village. some bungalows here or something under the construction. So even developing is coming here in a small village, but you know, opportunities are coming, so the people trying to use it, which is totally understandable and pretty natural, pretty normal. Yo, what's up, doggos? And this is it. And also here, going to the main road, pretty nice spot. One house, I'm not sure actually if those houses here are for rent or they are just local people have it houses, but this is it. And this is the main street where we actually enter through the traffic. Have to be careful always, because recently quite a lot of people driving here. This is the road actually leading to Taro village, but we are going opposite direction because we're gonna show you the other side of the Champuhan Ridgewalk, which is not Champuhan Ridgewalk itself, but the village what is on the other side, what most people don't know. But there are plenty of hotels, villas and boutique hotels and the little restaurants for you to consider. But meanwhile, this is like a more remote area. Looks pretty like this. This is like still you can find some businesses, but mostly locals living here. This is like still around half hour to the center. But here you go, lovely family cycling. And overall, the landscape here is pretty nice. I mean, I really enjoyed driving here. I still enjoy it because you see the traffic situation is not that busy. It's just simply not that busy. Time to time, you can find some nice fields, coconut trees. But overall, it's pretty remote. So if you don't drive yourself, it's maybe very tough for you to consider this as the holiday spot, but overall it's nice. Anyways, we're gonna go more further for the actually more place where it's more available for you for staying. Alright guys, so we are getting closer to the civilization which is the area on the other side of the Champuhan Ridgewalk. It's still 1 kilometer to this place, but I just wanted to let you know and show you how many new developments are on the middle of the rice fields here, like this pink building. So still under construction, but something interesting it's gonna be here in the nearest future. But this is the rice fields, and on the left already there are some first hotels what you can find. They are already for a while here. I used to stay 3 years ago at the beginning of pandemic, actually on my birthday, in one of the places here, just in the corner here. I forgot the name. So, do you remember the name?
Janata.
Janata, I think it was somewhere here. It still exists till now, and it's actually quite busy. And then you enter to the small alley here, where are already restaurants and the boutique hotels and even Gojek drivers already operating here. So this is already the tourist area here. If you walk from Ubud Center, it's gonna be at least 45 minutes, but if you drive, it's gonna be about 20 minutes. It's far enough to escape from the hustle and bustle of Ubud, but still close enough to go there for a lunch or dinner or shopping, perhaps. It's definitely more far than the Jalan Bisma though, but this one is more local. As you can see, very local vibe. This is actually on the other side, on the more fair point. So here we go, we have a more into guest house vibe here, and still a lot of temples and the local houses. But soon it's gonna be more very touristic place. So from the backyard we're showing you today. Here we go. This is already the small alley. We've looked at this development here by, I don't know who, but the big group. And the first big hotel, actually I think this one is the biggest hotel here, and hotel and restaurant we've called Kastara Ubud Resort. Looks very fancy though, I'm gonna tell you. Looks pretty impressive and nice. Even they have a parking lot for the cars. Never been inside, but looks decent. Maybe for different occasion we could actually pull over here, but I already had the coffee. I'm ready to make a video for you. We already make a video like a 6 minutes, but I just said that. Overall, this is the name of the street. Actually, I don't know what is the name of the street, but I will put on the screen. However, this street actually gonna end up at the edge of Champuhan Ridgewalk.
So we will go to the Campuhan ritual.
Yeah, I mean, we're not gonna go literally to the Campuhan ritual, but we're gonna show you the other end, or the gate to the Campuhan ritual. Very nice restaurant here, actually, so you could show them facing the sunset and the rice fields. Sun is still pretty sharp, but the places here are very nice. And guys, when he said harvest time, so rice is not young yet, not like green, but
Just
looks
finish,
decent.
you know, before they planting the new rice.
Yeah, another building here, as you see, that's gonna be something decent. And overall, this is the street, so very similar concept to Jalan Bisma, where you have only bricks and concrete as the road. I believe a few years ago there was only dirt road, and this is it. Like very, very cozy, very quiet place. Few shops only. Still without the big money changers and other establishments, like not so commercial, I could say. Of course you're gonna find the, you know, restaurants, hotels and stuff, but still very cozy, still very local vibe.
And
still,
what I can see that people, I think this area you can escape from the, you know, Ubud traffic, right? Ubud center
Yeah,
traffic, but you still
definitely,
can enjoy the rice paddies. Yeah, as you see on the left, on the right side, also a spa shop.
but very cozy one, very small one.
Yeah.
River house. This looks interesting. I'm gonna pull over here because the big truck is coming. Well, the truck's coming because there is construction everywhere. I mean, they're building a lot of things. So, my point is, as you see, you can walk like those people here. It's still very cozy and very enjoyable. That's it. There is also one popular hotel. It's called the Loka Ubud, the same the Loka what is in Legian on Padma Street. I mean the same company.
Oh, this one money changer.
Actually, there is money changer. My bad. That's also okay. Perhaps you need to change some coin. You can. Actually, no. Money changers don't accept coins here, by the way. Well, that's the interesting fact. I don't know how this cactus is growing here, but it's here. I don't know, this is something unusual. And more closer to Campuhan ritual you go, which is we going into direction, more establishments are here. More hotels, a lot of empty places also, because those areas are just developing right now, but seems like a lot of tourists also at the same time. So everything looks very, very optimistic and still very enjoyable, because as you can see, we can drive peacefully, people can walk peacefully, not much traffic, which is this what a lot of people actually looking for if you are coming to Ubud. But you have to know where to go if you wanna experience something like this at this particular moment, because not everywhere is like that. And look at this husky doggo here. Very nice, very big. Hello, hello. I don't know who actually owned this. Maybe some of the owners of the property here. And this is it. This is how does it look like here. Very enjoyable. Still, you can find some places, but it's very, very quiet. Oh, doggos! A lot of doggos here, that's for sure. This is like unbelievable. And some art shop here, like some local vendor have it. And overall, this is it. A lot of construction, like another big development here. So this area will change in the next upcoming few years. Unfortunately or fortunately, will change into more commercial than is now. But yeah, this is the price of the development. And this is the end of the street actually. Be careful here, sayang, because it's bumpy. And basically, if you pull over down there is the gate and the main entrance or exit to the Campuhan Ridge Walk. What not too many people know about this one, because the Ridge Walk have a 10 kilometers of walk, I guess.
Yeah, so I'll show
like
you basically walking there. And yes, this is the entrance to the Campuhan Ridge Walk.
Alright guys, so this was today, the situation, something new. As I mentioned last time, we're trying to make something different, even we are filming Ubud over and over again. But there is a lot of things what we would like to still show you. We have opportunity. We need to have a little bit more time so she can help me. But that's it for today. So we will see you tomorrow as always on next one. See ya. Take care.